Everybody, and welcome back to Final Fantasy 3 Pixel Remaster. Last time we killed the giant rat in our mini form, and we are going to sail now. Okay, thank you for that. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. We are going there. Wait, where's the captain? Okay. 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 Thank you. Let's go. Okay. Is it the entry become null or something? Oh, excuse me. Is it became null and void? Bestiary 188, so 100 plus. Sit. Yep. Not missable anymore. When I stream this game, I'm going to use the 8-bit version because let's just say better for me. Okay. Now to return the Neptos Dragon Eye to its rightful place. Nepto Eye blush. The party put the missing eye in the empty socket. Right. It is I, Nepto the Sea Dragon. I thank you for returning my eye. It is no ordinary gem. It is the vessel for my soul. Without it, my physical manifestation cannot be controlled. By way of thanks, I bequeath to you the Fang of Water. Use its power to destroy those obstacles that may block your path. Thank you very much for that, my liege. Water has lost that which once simmered within, that which caused the great earthquake. Also trap the light of the elements deep within the earth. I beseech you, please restore our light. The Nepto Dragon resume its slumber. Alright. Darkness is darkness enveloping the world again. Cannot avoid it. Oh, you've got a ship. You got the ship. We can go anywhere, see anything. Visit all the ladies of the land. Haha, just kidding. Well, we can do that. I'll get that. Nope. You are not allowed to do that. Oh. Okay. Ew. There you go. Desh, sorry, but there's something I have to do. I'll be waiting for your return. Oh my, Desh, is that you? No, you're mistaken. What the? Oh boy. What a dickwad you are, mate. You really disregard your partner. Oh my god, they are using Boga. Okay. Alright. Oh! We should. Oh, ow. Okay, we are going here. Then next on the north side, I think. Okay. Living Woods. The mage who changed the elder tree into a wandering creature can change his weakness. One who can see through his deception may be able to defeat him. The elder tree of these woods was cursed and carved into the shape of a monstrous castle. Now it wanders the desert aimlessly. You must help. Have you heard of Hein? He uses the barrier ship spell to change his weakness. So these woods are alive. We are the fairies who inhabit these woods. Oh wait, excuse me. I hear the cries of the woods. They weep for the elder tree that has made these woods its home for 10,000 years. But that great tree was cursed by a despicable mage and left the woods behind. I knew it, someone. Hein, the royal advisor of Castle Argus, is the one who cursed the elder tree to wander the land. Without the elder tree, these woods will soon perish. Our home, our friends, the trees will wither away. Alright, so we are going to this place, I think. Oh, ow! Alright. I see it. If that is the monster that is wandering. Okay. I don't know if that is the thing that is wandering right now. Oh. Okay. What is that thing though? Okay, what is this? Oh, this is the enemy. I think there's something. Oh, okay. Wait, what? Okay. Alright. We're on the right track. Alright then. Thousand gil. Then let's go to this thingy. Oh! 100. Alright. Let's take them all. 3,000, 1,500. So a little bit of expensive. Okay, there you go. Ah, what? Nothing here. Okay, we need a key or something here. But at least we take everything though. Wait, where's the people here? Okay. Alright. Wait, where's the people here? Okay, bomb fragment. Antarctic wind. Explosion spell, I think. Hole of something. Okay. Okay, I think we've got all of it. Okay, goodbye, Castle Argus. You're a dump. Okay. Wait. Ew. There we go. They are dead. Out. Okay. Oh, knew it. I knew it. Wait, where's the chocobo? Where's the giant chocobo here? No. Okay, chocobo. Idiot. I think next was here. Yeah, I think so. Oh yeah, this is the peaceful one. This Golgan Gulch, you should know that we Golgans are born sightless. However, we make up for our lack of vision with a sixth sense. Some of our kind can even see the future. We serve the wind crystal, a source of light that whose power has been bestowed upon you. Henceforth, you must go to the crystal's fire of fire, water, and earth. They will grant you greater powers that you already possess. Okay. Okay, let's stop. Oh, what the hell? So, let's go talk to them first. The great earthquake was only the beginning. The tremors tore the lands asunder. The crystal sources of the world's light were swallowed into the depths as monsters emerged from the chasms, now scarring the earth. Yet, that was nothing compared to the catastrophe to come. I see the future both of light and darkness, but this is by no means set in stone. The living woods, the sentient forest calls to you. I see a future of both light and darkness, but this is by no. Oh, okay. We sequestered away in this gulch for those who know the future should not dare to influence fate. Okay. When crimson flames threaten the tower's destruction, he who alters fate's course will awaken to his destiny. I sense the fire crystal's power is centered on the island of the dwarfs. Okay. The earth's power sealed away the other three sources of light. The earth crystal may have been sealed in a similar fashion. Okay, thank you very much. And then you. I have been expecting you. Take this spell and use it to enter the Tower of Owen. To the north, your destiny awaits you. There, Dish. Okay. I think we should... Okay. Toad. So, for this guy. Wait. So... Wait. Magic. Nope. Okay. Finish. Alright. Let's sail to the... Let's sail to the tower. Oh. The hell, dude? Yeah. Oh, yeah, wait. Okay, let's do a free healing here. Whole of the round table. Ayaw. Okay. So which means this is the war room or something, multi-purpose room. Alright, but where to find the key though? Okay, let's go to the bottom floor. I think we can unlock it through here. Okay, I think so. Nothing. Something's telling me I gotta go to the Tower of Owen. If that guy's right about me, my destiny is waiting for me there. Yeah, I think so, but we can't be sure, so let's not assume. Let's not assume anything. There we go. Oh, 87. Was the... Okay. Okay. Oh, nice. Nice one. Wait. What? We will try the toad part. Okay. Okay. Wait, jobs look. Okay. 15, 14, level 20. I think it was the max. Shall we dive under? And how exactly are we supposed to do that? Maybe we have to become frogs first. Okay, let's talk to the frogs. Okay, let's talk to them first before we dive. Wait. If we are going to be frogs, so wait. Let's go outside first. Oh. There we go. And by the way, before when we finish this, before I play Chrono Trigger and Final Fantasy VI, because I'm emotionally vulnerable when when I play those games. So when I'm in the right mindset, I will play it, yes, but okay, yeah. But when I'm going to try to play that game, I need to be prepared in a mindset like I'm not biased, everything like that. I don't want it to be like, okay, oh yeah, ow. Okay, that was dumb. Alright, we're frogs now. Let's get going. Okay. Oh my. Welcome to the Tower of Owen. I hope you like it here, for it shall be your final resting place. This place looks familiar. Ow! 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 Don't use magic on me. Okay. Oh, excuse me. Oh, okay, silence. Okay, dead. When they are silenced, I knew it. Oh my god. nice. Hehehe. Wait, I remember. I'm an ancient. Wait, what do you mean by ancient? You're old? Or that is your given name? Yeah. Giving name. Okay, trifling. Okay, for this guy. Wait, what? Yeah. Oh. Your souls shall wander these sudden halls forever. I remember now, there's a hidden switch on the 5th floor. It's on the 8th section of wall from the left. Thank you for that. Ew. Oh, okay, shit. I know. Okay. Ow. Maiden's kiss. Oh, okay. I should have bought the silence. Okay. Alright. Okay. Oh, ow. Okay. Echo herbs. Bomb fragment. Where's echo herbs? Oh man. Magic please. Pure. Oh my lord. Right. Echo herbs. Okay. Ew. Ouch. Can you try that? Oof. Oh. Ow. How? Okay. Okay, what was the original? Okay. Okay. Salaman sword. Oh, okay. So this guy. Okay. Okay. Alright, ambush. Oh no. Ow. Oh! That was painful. Oh, flame mail. Zeus rat. Alright. I, Medusa, will destroy this tower in the name of Zandel. Zand. Zande? Zand. The continent will plummet from its place in the skies. Hehehe. You will not interfere now. Die! Alright, thank you very much for your heads up. So we will use this, I think. Oh. Okay. Okay. Fira. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay. Okay. Okay, do not do that. Oh! Petrification. $126. Alright. The flames leak and flare wildly. An explosion looks imminent. No, don't go near it. I remember now. I'm one of the remaining ancients, the watchman of this tower. I was only supposed to awaken if something happened to the tower. But I was asleep for so long, my memories were scrambled when I woke up. I forgot my purpose. This doesn't look good. I think I know how to stabilize the flames, but I can only do it from the inside of the reactor. I have no choice. This tower is the only thing keeping the continent afloat. If it blows, will fall right out of the sky. This is farewell. Thanks for all your help. Dash, stop. You'll die. This is my destiny. Don't worry. Once I repair the furnace, that whirlpool should stop as well. Then, you can search for the Dwarven Island. That's where you'll find the fire crystal. Once I'm in, I'll warp you all outside. It's been a blast. Literally. Now then, here I go. Okay, another sacrifice. Dash! Okay, hell. Warp us now. Anytime. Okay, anytime now. So, they will fix the center. The reactor of the floating island. Okay. So, this is one of the towers they need to fix. Where is the people of Argus Castle? Okay, let's use... Oh! Okay, we will use the services here. Thank you very much. Okay, level 2. Let's level it up for... You know, we can use those two. Okay, we need... Okay, 25,000. 20... What? 25,000 already. Alright. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go back here. Ow. Okay. Okay. We need a little bit of equipment for this guy. Okay, trifling. Wait. Let's look at the weapon here. I know this is mithril. Oh, okay. Damn. Okay. We can do that. Level 2. Yep. Okay. Sheesh. Alright, fire. Wait, what? Okay. That would be fine. No, not this. There you go. And then okay. Wait. Alright, we can do that later. Let's look at the we need to prioritize the silence. My God. There you go. Dear Lord. Thank you. There you go. Okay. Okay. Alright, this is the end of the episode, everybody. Thank you for watching. Follow for more. Deus Volten. Bye-bye.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it, and banish all their fears, and sing a ta-ra-row and a row-row-row for the British enemy.